Good morning, everyone. This is Urobo Bible Reading Platform. Today we are reading Matthew chapter 2, verse 13 to 15 in Urobo language. Obe ri Matthew huyobe roye ive awo roye ikwera rite ikweyori. Verse 13. Re aye wokponu mighe amakashe dave omapia ke Joseph ve ewire odata vre womu omona rewogekpo Egypt kugbe oni roye won dia obeyin besie me ovwe rewe kidie Herod wono omona we. Verse 14. Ode gine vre oda rio Mary kugbe omona haye da gekpo Egypt. Verse 15. Oboyin koyin haye tiare ririn besie ri Herod wowu rere otare omraru na tare wogba ratare ne evu re Egypt mide se omome. Thank you from Simeon.